everyone! In this video, I will guide you on how to add border scroll effects to your videos using CapCut PC. Let's begin by using this video as our example. To add the border scroll effect, navigate to the Effects tab. Click to expand video effects on the left side, then go to the graffiti category. Locate the border scroll effect. Next, click the plus icon in the bottom right corner or simply drag and drop it directly onto the timeline to apply the effect. Move to the desired time point in your video. Adjust the edges of the effect to match the duration of your video or a specific scene. Now, let's fine-tune the effect. Select the effect layer, then go to the right side to adjust its settings. Make any necessary adjustments to customize the effect to your liking. You can duplicate and overlay multiple effect layers to enhance the border scroll effect. The duplicated layers will maintain the same settings, but you can also tweak other parameters. Feel free to overlay additional effects as needed to further enhance your video. That's all there is to it. I hope this tutorial was informative and helpful for you. Thank you for watching.